Well, I don't think I promote this enough because I always assume that if you're watching my videos, you're probably watching them from YouTube and you already know how to find my YouTube channel. Or if you just run into one of my videos, maybe you just kind of save that link. Okay. But I do a lot of emailing and posting on, I guess, well, Facebook. I do a little bit of Instagram, TikTok, and all that stuff, but I just create content like a madman. And I love making videos like this. And I need to do, I guess, a better job of just saying, guys, if you're watching this video, and if you don't know where in the heck it's from, but if you're watching it, if you want to go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to it, then my gosh almighty, that's my goal. I want you to watch my videos. So let me shrink my big giant yellow face off the screen here. Okay, this is my Live Good channel. This is my YouTube channel. I do other businesses besides Live Good. Okay, and you'll see Legacy Builders. You'll see Nowsite. Okay, you're going to see Multiple Income Funnel. Now, what I need to explain are these companies, they have software, they have a funnel system that I get leads and traffic for people to look into Live Good. Legacy Builders, it's actually my number one moneymaker. Okay, yesterday I made about 2-3 grand just with Legacy. And it's just insane, really good, legit information, training on how to get leads, traffic, how to build something, how to be compelling, how to get people to stop and look at your social media posts. Okay, so Legacy Builders program, awesome. Live Good, you're always going to see Live Good 2025, okay, on the thumbnails. But yeah, if you do see a couple other things blended in on my Live Good YouTube channel here, they're just techniques, software, or companies I use to just make Live Good kick ass. My lead gen secret, it's an email program. Just click the links, check it out. And if you want to find, I guess you could always Google search my name or go to YouTube and search my name there. But if you look on the very top left, do you see it just says Cory J. Draper? Okay, that's my official handle. I tried to get Cory Draper, but I guess there's another Cory Draper 20 years ago that beat me to it. But my middle name is the letter J. So what I do is I just invite people to right there. That's my username, if that helps you find me on YouTube. Or you can just see it's youtube.com, Cory J. Draper. And I'm on my video page right now. Let me just go to the home page because this is what you're going to probably find.
Talked about
Let me go ahead and stop my video there. Okay. So right there, that's it. Pretty simple. And I put this link just about on every single video anyway. Okay. But sooner or later, when you go to my video section, people are always like, okay, but what is lead gen and what is Legacy Builders and what is Nowsite and all this stuff? Okay. There you go, guys. And if you just want to even make it more organized, categorized, do you see where it says playlist? When you click the word playlist, you can see, let me scroll up here. Let me put myself at the bottom right of the page here. Legacy Builders. Okay. Playlists. All right. I got about 73 videos with the Legacy Builders program. You can see with Traffic Authority, this is a real nice company. If you want paid, legit traffic, I got some videos there. You can see with Order Leads Today. Okay. This is my lead gen. You can see I've got about 121 videos there. I'm a maniac for Live Good. You can see I have 3,433 videos that I have made myself. All right. These are not cut up little 5-second clips. These videos average about 10 minutes a piece. All right. I got about 600 videos to Nowsite. And you can see there's a couple different playlists. And there's some random ones too. I even have a truck driving series that I used to produce for Google. And I produced Toys for Tots here in Salt Lake City. So I put a video up of where me, Blaine, and Jill and Rockin' Hot Rod Productions, we go live on Channel 4 to promote Toys for Tots for Christmas. Okay? So at the end of the day, my goal with this video is just subscribe to my YouTube channel.
That's why I was done. So
And you can see that handsome devil, Ben Glinsky. All right. He's still in his 40s. Man, I'm almost 60. It's my birthday tomorrow. So anyway, there it is, guys. Okay. Cory J. Draper. That is my name. Don't wear it out. Remember saying that in grade school? Okay. And if you want to join Live Good, at the end of the day, this is what I do. I just invite people to links. Joincory.com. Watch that 6-minute video of Ben, the cool cat that I just put on pause. He talks for about 6 minutes about the opportunity. Okay. Then if you want to put your name and email address in the little box next to Ben talking, you're going to get an email where you can join Live Good, or you're going to get information for 30 days, one a day, about Live Good, the opportunity, the products, okay, where we're going, what's happening, what's going on in 2025 here in a couple weeks, okay? This is a very affordable program, guys. We have almost 1.7 million people that have joined this great company. And our birthday, Live Good's birthday, is December 13th. About a week away, guys. All right, 1.7 million. Whew, record breaking. That's more than Netflix did, Amazon, even Costco. Okay, Live Good is going places. The products are amazing. We're a membership-based website. $10 a month, shop your buns off, guys. U.S. Post Office sends the products to your home here in America. DHL International sends the products if you live outside of America. We have distribution centers going up all over the world. That way your products are sent faster and cheaper, because we're all over Asia. Man, we dominate. We're all over the UK, France to Germany to good old England. What's up? Down in Australia, we're down. We're down under New Zealand and New Guinea, and Africa too. Some countries, I don't even know how to say their name. Is it Kazakhstan? And oh my God, there's crazy names out there. I love it. And the flags are just unbelievably wild, because when people join all over the world in your downline, it shows a picture of the flag of the country they live in. And it's pretty cool to see one that you don't even know what it is. You look it up and you're like, oh, that's the Philippines. Okay. I only knew like 10. I knew like Japan, that Swiss Army looking one. I think I know Canada. I kind of know Mexico and the United States, but God, I'll tell you what, I can't believe the education I have received from Live Good on flags. Okay. I appreciate your time. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right. And you have a good day, and get a hold of me if you need something. Okay. Take care, guys. Bye.